welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about Black History Month. What is Black History Month? Where did it come from? How did it get started? Who started it? Why did they start it? Well, stay tuned and watch this video and I will answer all those questions for you today. According to the History Channel, Black History Month was created in 1915. 50 years after slavery was abolished in the U.S., a Harvard historian named Dr. Carter G. Woodson and renowned minister Jesse E. West Moorland established the Association for the Study of Negro Life and History, also known as ASNLH. Today, the organization is known as the Association for the Study of African American Life and History, also known as ASALH. The corporation featured a Negro History Week in February of 1926. They chose the second week of February to correspond with the birthdays of Fredrick Douglass and Abraham Lincoln. Both figures were instrumental in abolishing slavery. According to the National Park Service, in his journey from captive slave to internationally renowned activist, Frederick Douglass, 1818 to 1895, has been a source of inspiration and hope for millions. Local schools and communities around the nation was inspired by this celebration, and they began to organize their own festivities. In the years to come, mayors across the country began to issue proclamations to recognize Negro History Week, which eventually changed into Black History Month, particularly on college campuses. The holiday was officially recognized in 1976 when President Gerald Ford officially recognized it as such. The rest is literally history. Black History Month, to be exact. I'm back, y'all. So that concludes our presentation on Black History Month. I do hope you all enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, or leave a comment. We will have more videos coming up, so do check back for more videos. And once again, thank you for watching my channel.